The Mainstays 2012 swing was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your swing, please refer to the store SKU number MS-12-092-021-07. The model number should be located on a tag on the original cushions or instructions manual. A few key identifiers for this swing are: it is a 3-person swing, A-frame design, curved roof canopy, original canopy was striped. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Mainstays 2012 swing. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.